Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel right now so you can get all the latest updates.
Hi, I'm Keon Marcel, radio host.
Welcome to the only show, CrossTheFatal.com, Power 357.
Web series host.
Welcome to Curbside Pickup.
One thing I like to do most is relaxing at home, making very simple meals. Meals so simple that will make you say, damn, that's easy.
What's going on, my fellow home cooks? Welcome to Damn, That's Easy. I am your host, Keon Marcel, and today I've got a recipe so simple for you that I guarantee you will absolutely go bananas over this. Not bananas, literally, but you'll go stir fry crazy. You'll go stir crazy. You get it? Ha ha. Whatever. Look, you're gonna go crazy over this. So what we're gonna make a Chinese chicken and broccoli lo mein using very easy ingredients. I guarantee when you see this one, hands down, you're gonna absolutely love it. So look, enough of hearing me talk. Let's just go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do, gotta get some water boiling, all right? Let me tell you something. I say this all the time. If you cannot boil water, this show will not help you, okay? It's just not. So look, all you're gonna do, get some water going here, all right? There we go. Got that going there. So here's what you're gonna need. 3 main ingredients. First, some stir-fried vegetables. You can get this in the frozen food section, or you can get it in the fresh section, or you can just do it yourself. But to make it easy, we're just gonna use these. You need some chicken tenderloins or chicken breast. Whatever chicken you like to use it. Don't need anything else but that. And you're gonna need some stir-fried teriyaki sauce. That's it. And the rest of it is just gonna be spices and things like that. So I forgot to tell you about one ingredient. I said we needed 3. In actuality, we need 4 ingredients. You need some regular spaghetti. Just regular spaghetti. That's all. You can get the Asian noodles, but simplify it. $1 for a box of spaghetti. Let's go ahead and get this started. I've got my cutting board. This is a non-slip cutting board, all right? It's got the suctions down there. If you don't have that, just wet a damp rag or damp paper towel, put it under your cutting board so it won't slide, all right? So, what I'm gonna do, I've got a jalapeno. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open up some garlic. Now, you can use granulated garlic, you can use, already chopped garlic. I like to crack the garlic fresh myself. To peel the garlic, the easiest way to do it, take your knife, give it a quick smash, and your peel comes right off. So all I'm gonna do is slice the garlic like that. You wanna get them in slices. Now you can buy this already pre-sliced, or you can do it this way here. Garlic is chopped, jalapeno is chopped. Put that to the side. You're gonna take your chicken. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this into different pieces. I'm gonna cut it into pieces, all right? It's gonna make little nuggets out of this, if that's what you wanna call it. We're just gonna cut this. Now make sure that you rinse your chicken first. So this chicken has already been rinsed in the sink. Make sure you rinse it first. Always rinse your chicken. You don't wanna get, any salmonella or anything like that. So always rinse your chicken. And remember, anything that touches the chicken, whether it's this knife, this cutting board, whatever it is, you always have to make sure that you clean it and disinfect it very well, because what you don't want to do is spread bacteria or germs with your chicken. I'm gonna take my bowl. We're gonna give this chicken a quick marinade. So I'm gonna dump this in a bowl here. Wash my hands off, clean hands. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a quick marinade. Gonna take some soy sauce. Gonna do some garlic, black pepper. Soy sauce already has salt in it, so we're not gonna put much. Put a little bit of salt right there. I use a little Himalayan pink salt. And what you're gonna do, you can use your hands with this too, but I just wash my hands, y'all. I don't feel like going back to wash them again after I done touched this, right? Cover this with like either some plastic wrap or a paper towel. Just set it aside while you're getting the rest of the things done. Let's cook this. So look, we've got the water boiling. All we're gonna do is drop this pasta in there. That's a quick tip. Quick tip. When you put your pasta in there, spread it out like that. Therefore, it helps it not to stick and goes in evenly. Well, here's a quick little tip for you. So I've got the pasta drained. I'm just gonna add some oil to this. You can use whatever oil. Honestly, you can use butter. I like butter too. Butter adds so much flavor to it, but I'm just gonna put just a little bit because I'm not ready to use the pasta yet. And the only reason I'm doing this, I don't want the pasta to stick together and clump together. So what the oil is gonna do, the oil is gonna help keep it separate. So when you're ready for it, it's ready and good to go. That's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna get ready to cook this chicken, put this whole thing together. Now what I've got here, I've got a wok. If you don't have a wok at home, you can use a large skillet, but I like my wok. If you can go to, you can find a wok at a Goodwill. I found this at the Goodwill for $5. So go to the Goodwill, find your wok. It's gonna come in handy. So here's the thing about a wok. When you cook with a wok, it heats up very, very quickly because of the dome shape of it. The heat stays in. Take some oil, you can use vegetable oil or whatever. Now, if you have sesame oil, use sesame oil too. Gonna take our chicken. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that garlic and those jalapenos that we chopped up earlier, we're gonna throw that in there with it so it can start cooking with it. So therefore, the chicken will absorb that flavor. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our vegetables, our stir-fried veggies, dump them over in there. And in this stir-fry, you've got broccoli, you've got carrots, you've got snow peas, and you've got baby corn. So get that all mixed together. I'm sorry, y'all. I like plain pasta. I just like pasta by itself. Sorry. Couldn't resist. I'm gonna go ahead and dump our pasta over in here. All right, you see how it's still separate? That's because we added that oil to it. We're gonna reduce the heat because what the pasta will start doing is sticking. So what we're gonna do now is take our teriyaki sauce. We're just gonna pour this over there. It's gonna get all this mixed together. All we're doing now is just mixing it completely together. Now what I'm gonna do, take some more garlic, because I love garlic. We're gonna add some garlic to this here, black pepper, and mix well. That's what you're looking for right there. You want everything to be well incorporated in there and mixed well together. Don't that look good? I know it look good. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now, but unfortunately you can't because you're at home watching this. But if you could smell what I'm smelling, this is so ridiculously good. Shout out to Emerald Lagasse. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Somebody should create smell-o-vision. Whatever, it's an old joke. Nonetheless, let's taste this now. I'm just gonna taste this. Got your broccoli, got everything in that one bite right there. Gotta try to get everything in there. You got your peas, you got your chicken, you got everything in that one bite. Just like that, all right? Hey, look. It makes you dance. It really makes you dance. This is so good. Look, if you want to feed your family and not have to go out to a Chinese takeout spot, make it at home. Your people at home will love this. Your kids will love it. Your husband, significant other, they will love it. It's so simple. It's so easy. Matter of fact, it's damn easy. You had 4 major ingredients: pasta, chicken, vegetables, and teriyaki sauce. That's it. You put them all together. We had some garlic, some jalapeno. Bada bing, bada boom, boom, good to go. I get excited when I just made something really good. I'm sorry, I gotta calm it down a little bit. But nonetheless, it's fantastic, it's amazing, it's awesome. I want you to try this at home with your kids and with everyone that lives with you. I guarantee you they're gonna love it. And when you do it, what's gonna happen is you're gonna say, damn, that was easy. Look, y'all, until next time, y'all make sure, stay cooking and don't kill anybody with your food, all right? See you next time.